Good morning, everybody. Now, last class till worksheet 9 we have done. Now, in worksheet 10, all of you look at your book. Come on to worksheet 10. Worksheet 10, you have to write the past form of the words given in the bracket. Okay. So, while cooking, first one, while cooking, she burned her hand. Got it? Now, second one, while driving, she met an accident. Okay. Then while reading, she fell asleep. While reading, she fell asleep. Then while playing, she fell down. While playing, she fell down. While drinking water, she broke the glass. Broke the glass. Okay. Then while she was sleeping, a thief entered. A thief entered. Okay. Now, next worksheet, that is, there is an error and you have to write down the correct word. There is one error given and you have to write the correct word. Okay. So, in the passage given above, first one is getted. It will be changed into got. Second one is weird. It will be wore. Third one is holded. It will be held. Fourth one is signed. It will be shown. Then it is looked. It will be looked. L-O-O-K-E-D. Then it is taken. It will be took. Then putted. It will be put. Then blesses. It will be blessed. And one more, it is throwed. It will be threw. Okay? It is thrown. It will be threw. So all of you got the past form of each and everything. Now, verbally I will be telling you and you will be writing it down. Okay. Worksheet 12. All of you turn to worksheet 12. you have to write down the sentences in the past form. Okay? Like, Nikki woke up at 7:15 a.m. She had her breakfast at 7:30 a.m. She had her breakfast at 7:30 a.m. All of you write it down, or those of you have written, please check it down. Okay? Now, third one. She went to school at 8 a.m. She went to school at 8 a.m. Now after that, she took her lunch at 1 p.m. She took her lunch at 1 p.m. Then she came back home at 4:30 p.m. She came back home at 4:30 p.m. Then she had her dinner at 8 p.m. She had her dinner at 8 p.m. Then last one. She went to school at she went to bed at 9 p.m. She went to bed at 9 p.m. She went to bed at 9 p.m. Okay? All of you have written? Now, come on to worksheet 13. All of you come on to worksheet 13. Here you have to use did not. And I have told you, when you use did not, you use the present form of the verb. Okay? When you are using did not, you will use the present form of the verb. Okay? Like Cinderella's stepsister wore new dresses at the party. Cinderella did not wear a new dress at the party. Okay. Now first one has been done. Cinderella's stepsister went to the king's party. Answer will be Cinderella did not go to the king's party. Okay. Now after that, Cinderella's stepsister ate delicious food. Cinderella did not eat delicious food. Cinderella did not eat delicious food. Okay? Cinderella did not eat delicious food. Now third one. Cinderella's stepsisters went to sleep late in the night. Cinderella did not go to sleep late in the night. Cinderella did not go to sleep late in the night. Once again I am telling you, Cinderella did not go to sleep late in the night. Now fourth one. Cinderella's stepsisters woke up late in the morning. Cinderella did not wake up late in the morning. Cinderella did not wake up late in the morning. Cinderella did not wake up late in the morning. Cinderella's stepsisters fought with their mother. Cinderella's stepsisters fought with their mother. Cinderella did not fight. Cinderella did not fight with her mother. Cinderella did not fight with her mother. Now, Cinderella's stepsister got plenty of money to spend. Cinderella did not get plenty of money to spend. Cinderella did not get plenty of money to spend. Cinderella did not get plenty of money to spend. Cinderella's stepsisters met their friends frequently. Cinderella's stepsisters met their friends frequently. Now, Cinderella did not meet. Cinderella did not meet her friends frequently. Cinderella did not meet her friends frequently. Cinderella's stepsister spent money freely. Now, Cinderella did not spend. S-P-E-N-D. Cinderella did not spend money freely. Cinderella did not spend money freely. Okay? That when the negative is there, when we use the negative, then we use the present form of the verb. Okay? Okay, we do not use past form of verb with did. When we are using did, that means it will be present form. Okay. Now come on to the next one. That is, we are supposed to use did not and the verb part. Worksheet 14. He did not close the door. We have to write all sentences like that only. Okay. It will be the form of verb only we are supposed to write. We will not change the verb. Okay. First one, he did not close the door. Second one, he did not switch off the fan. He did not switch off the fan. He did not pack the suitcase. He did not pack the suitcase. He did not eat the ice cream. He did not eat the ice cream. He did not shut the window. He did not shut the window. He did not drink the cola. He did not drink the cola. He did not read the newspaper. He did not read the newspaper. He did not throw away the banana peel. He did not throw away the banana peel. He did not throw away the banana peel. He did not wipe the floor clean. He did not wipe the floor clean. He did not wipe the floor clean. So, till worksheet 11, 14, we have completed over here. Till worksheet 14. Okay. So, for today's work, it will be till worksheet 14. Okay. Slowly we will be doing the revision work. Since your chapter has been completed in the practice book, again I am revising it. So, slowly I will be completing it. Okay. One chapter is left in your literature book, that is The Helpful Young Man. Okay. That I will be doing it. First, let me complete the chapter work practice book. Full, let me complete the practice book. Okay. So, till here, whatever I have taught, go through it and learn it. Your homework will be to learn whatever I have given you. I will be checking your books and I will be giving back again slowly and slowly. Checking process is very slow because I am going on doing it one by one. Okay. So you will be getting your books back after checking. Till then, learn whatever I have given, and in your video, don't ask me, ma'am, what is a classwork, what is a homework. Whatever I am doing over here is your classwork, and whatever I ask you to do, that is your homework. That is for your homework. You are going to learn whatever we have done today. Okay? So don't ask the stupid questions. Clear to everybody? Okay then. Till then, thank you and goodbye.